Well, if you've got a car enthusiast on your holiday, should I try to say that word?
Well, it is cold out.
Well, I know, my mouth is frozen. If you've got a car enthusiast on your holiday shopping list, our next guest has some great ideas.
Here with a gift guide that will have you crossing names off full speed ahead is the car girl's Emma Hancock. Emma, nice to see you as always. And let's start here on the far side. Hear so much about this dash cams in cars now.
Dash cams, not just for Russia anymore. They're becoming really popular in North America. They're also becoming really affordable. So, you know, if you drive in the city every day, it's an adventure. So eventually if something happens, you have one of these, you're going to have video recording of everything, peace of mind. It has a feature called continuous recording. So when you turn the car on, it actually starts. It's just set it, forget it, put it on the inside of your windshield. Really affordable.
Yeah. Okay. We've said that. We've said that we can see this being a big gift this year as more and more people get them.
And these are all from Best Buy. And they have some great stuff. So this one here, I love this. So some of us have cars that don't have backup sensors, if you can believe that. So what this is basically a license plate frame that has the sensor in it, and it's wireless. So it actually works with your cell phone. So if you have one of those cars that doesn't have it and you're parallel parking, all through your phone in the car, it lets you know, and it's wireless.
Okay.
So you just put it on yourself.
Okay.
And that attaches right on your license plate, just like a license plate
Just like a
protector.
frame.
Okay.
Yeah, and totally wireless.
Cool.
All right.
Cool.
If you want to hook something up to your TV and do a little racing.
Yeah, so for all ages. So Need for Speed, latest game is Payback. I love this. It has a lot of the dream cars we had on the show this year, like the NSX. You can do things you can't do in real life, like race stolen cars. You can also, you know, build your own car from a scrap car. So totally cool.
And we're looking at a little footage here. It's amazing just
see,
how
there's a scrap.
realistic these games are now.
Yeah, that's the scrap car, and you can transform it if you win enough races and win enough points. So super cool. Could waste a lot of time.
Wow. So I have to build my car first before I race it?
Only if you want to.
Only if I want to. Okay, I may opt out of that one. I may not get on the racetrack if I have to do that.
Yeah, if you're a car nerd like me.
Ooh,
Okay,
here we go, some Star Wars.
It's a big week for us Star Wars nerds like me. So this, I got to throw this in. This is from thinkgeek.com. It's basically a car charger. It sits in your cup holder. Attach your phone. I'm going to do a little demo for you really fast.
I love it.
Like,
does he do anything when your phone is charged? Or no?
Yeah, he does all different R2D2 language stuff. So
wow.
Adorable, right?
Very
So
cute.
super cute.
That is cute.
I don't know if you're 8 or 80, you want these. Like, these are just so much fun to play with. RC
Remote
cars.
control cars?
These have come so far. Like this one here, this is a Land Rover Defender. It's heavy. Feel that. Feel how heavy it is. This is the real deal.
That's solid.
This is the real deal. This can actually go through streams and boulders. Boulders for this thing would be like rocks, but still. Okay, so I'll just.
So are these kind of built to the specs of the actual car then? They seem very realistic.
Yeah, and this is waterproof, and
so over a cable.
people do serious off-roading with remote controlled cars. So until you can afford the real thing, I highly recommend these.
All right.
I
And
can afford the real thing. Here's my option. Dude, can it get me to work?
Yeah, exactly. You can dream.
okay, and speaking of the real thing, you have brought the real thing here with you.
Okay, so if you've been really, really, really good all year, who wouldn't want to wake up to an Audi TT on Christmas morning? This thing is their super hot RS edition. 400 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. And every TT has all-wheel drive. So you don't need to store it in the winter. You can drive it all year long. Award-winning 5-cylinder engine. It's half of a V10. Sounds like way more than just half. You want to give her a go?
Yes.
Last one of 2017.
Am I migrating over?
Yeah, you are.
What a
Magnetic
gorgeous
attraction.
interior.
Yeah, gorgeous. The start's on the steering wheel.
All right.
So
Oh, that's got a nice roar to it.
not bad, right? And the cockpit.
That's a nice sounding engine.
Yeah, check out this. So there's no center console anymore, it seems, Emma. Everything's right here in front of the driver?
Virtual cockpit, that's the future. So amazing.
All right. C-Mac, have you got me anything yet?
What? You liking this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it, Jeff.
Okay. The car girl's Emma Hancock. Emma, thanks as always.
You're welcome,
Have a great
Jeff.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.